Hey guys, Chief Bloody Fan. To begin with, we'd like to apologise for you. This video is late. It's halfway due to me walking too much. I also have to apologise as well because this was meant to be a Thief review, but I'll sum that up in 2 words: it's shit. However, apart from that, I've been playing another game called Project Spark. Some of you might not know what it's about. I certainly never when I started to play with it. Basically, it's a game that allows you to create your own games, and I know what you're thinking with that. It's going to be simple games with simple graphics and simple objectives, but it's really not. You can create pretty much anything you want, and I mean literally anything you want. I've seen videos of people creating JRPGs similar to Final Fantasy and the like. Not full games yet. All the content's not there. All the features aren't there, but they've certainly got a working model for it, and it's pretty spectacular. The other thing that I saw is, and it's one of my favourite games, is Fable. Somebody has managed to fully recreate the first level in Fable, and it's almost picture perfect. They've got camera coming in, all the text, all the quests, all the cutscenes for that. Fairly amazing. Well, I haven't done a huge amount of it myself. I have been playing with it, and it basically lets anybody with any kind of knowledge create their own game. You don't have to have a computer programmer before. You don't have to have any knowledge of it really. It's easy. For those of you that do, it's event driven. It's based on when this happens, do this, things like that. You can make RTS, you can make racing games, you can make action RPGs, you can make shooter games. I believe eventually they will have save function. They will also have multiplayer in it. There's been people already talking about making MMORPGs through it. Some of the other things I've read on it is actually pretty amazing. They say the game world, not sure if that's a single game world or if that's when they can lighten them, but your game world can be 25 kilometres big. To put that into perspective, Skyrim was only 35 kilometres big, so quite an impressive game that you can make. I mean, Skyrim, I believe, can be upwards of 300 hours gameplay, depending on what you do. So, you could probably actually create a 150-hour game out of it. It is really quite impressive. I think everybody should watch out for it, and if you've ever thought about making your own game or, thinking, I can do something better than someone else, buy it, have a shot. It's worth it. Not only that, is when you buy the game, you can play other players' created content, which means not only can you make your own game, you can have hundreds, and I mean hundreds of other games that you can be playing. Like I said, if they implement the save files in it, then you can save your game, you can play your game, you can load it back up. Just paying the, 50, 60 quid or whatever it might come out as, because it is a creation suite, is going to be well worth it when you think about how many people could be on it and how many people can be creating content for it. But, up to you guys. I'll probably be buying it, and seeing that the time's getting on a bit and I'm near enough ready to run it on this, I shall see you later. Keep on gaming, guys.